Welcome to preview of the Clinical Sleep Kit membership. I wanted to give you an idea of what's inside the program so that if you've been thinking about signing up but you're not really sure if it's right for your needs, you'll have a better idea. This program is for physicians, therapists, and any other healthcare practitioners who are supporting patients with sleep. This is what you'll see when you log into our student portal. There's a number of different sections here. You'll see that there's an expert guest training section. These are miniature trainings. They're about 15 to 20-minute trainings from different expert guests, and we've got new ones coming in every month or every 2 months from sleep specialists on different areas of sleep. So you'll see we've got one from Dr. Valerie Cacho on sleep through perimenopause. We've got Dr. Funke Afolabi-Brown on sleep for young children. We've got a CBTI crash course with Dr. Sarah Silverman, who is a CBTI psychologist and behavioral sleep specialist. This is a really unique opportunity to get expert guest trainings from sleep specialists from around the globe. This content area is going to be growing as this is a new program. Okay, let's go back to the modules. You'll see that there is a section for your patients. If we click into here, these are handouts and resources that you can share with your patients. And it's broken down into Sleep 101, different worksheets and how-to guides, and then a section on treatments that you can share with patients. Let's just pop into Sleep 101 so you can see what's in there. But you'll see in this section, you've got a sleep myths handout, what is CBTI, Sleep Architecture 101, OSA or obstructive sleep apnea in women, what you need to know. This tells you the content, and then you'll see the actual PDF handouts that you can download on the side there. Let's go back into modules. You'll see here, that was the patients section. Then we've got a section for doctors and healthcare practitioners. This is broken down into a 5-step process. The first section here is Sleep 101. This is where you can learn about sleep architecture and what normal sleep architecture looks like. Go back to the 5-step process. So the 5-step process here is to talk, test, treat, track, and tune up. These are the 5 steps that you're going to go through when you're supporting a patient with sleep issues. And this program is going to walk you through that process so that you can learn not just how to treat patients, but really how to think about their sleep issues holistically. So each of these areas will go into detail on various aspects of the steps. Let's go into this talk section here. You'll see that there's this area on differential diagnoses of common sleep complaints. Click on that, and you'll see that there is some information here on what's in there. There's an editable Google Sheet, so you can actually click on that and you can modify that and add to it. You can also get a PDF of the differential diagnoses of sleep complaint. That's just an example of the content that is in here. And again, because this is a membership program that is new and growing, these content areas are continually added to every month. Let me go back into the modules. Then we've got live calls. In here, you're going to get access to the recordings from our live Q&As and case discussions. And what's really special about these is that we often have guest experts joining them. Let me just click into our most recent one, which is from August of 2023. So you'll see here's the video call with Dr. Valerie Cacho. You'll see there's a transcript of that video. You can also listen to the audio as well, or you can watch it. And of course, these are live calls, so you can attend live and ask questions and discuss cases. Let me go back in here. Then you'll see there's this mini trainings section. Here, every month, I'm uploading a mini training on different aspects of clinical sleep medicine that you will find really helpful when you're working with patients in your practice. This first one here was on sleep efficiency and sleep restriction. And well, I'll show you an overview. We've got sleep efficiency and sleep restriction, basic screening labs, sleep during perimenopause, and then most recently, melatonin best practices. And I've designed these to be really short and easy to consume. I'm just going to click on this first lesson here. Generally, the lessons are broken down into 3 sections, and then each one is like 5 to 10 minutes. So they're really easy and quick. So you don't have to spend hours consuming content and then trying to make sense of how they actually apply to your practice. Each of these lessons is short, and you'll get the transcript, the audio file, and then any other supporting documents with each of them. Whether you learn best by watching a video or listening to an audio or by reading, you will find documents that support your learning style. Those are mini trainings. These are updated every month. The most recent one was on how to use melatonin with your patients. The next upcoming training is going to be on using light therapy with your patients. We also talk about brands, supplements, products, and other really practical tools that you can use in your practice. This question bank is based on the trainings that have been uploaded each month. So you'll see that there's a Q bank based on the sleep efficiency lesson, on the CBTI crash course lesson, and so forth. And this is just a way that you can test your knowledge about what you've been learning. And there's generally about 5 to 7 questions in each section. And so you can see here's the quiz for melatonin best practices, and you can go in there, you can answer the questions, and then you'll get your score. This was your student portal. Then we also have a community. This is what we've got inside of our community. This is where you can interact with other members of the clinical sleep kit. The experts are also in here. You can ask questions about your cases. You can share knowledge. You can see here, I've uploaded a new document on third-party tested melatonin supplements. You can see there's some discussion on Dr. Val's Q&A with resources on perimenopause and sleep. You can see that members are asking questions about various aspects of sleep that they want the experts to answer. So this is just a great way to get support from a community of your peers and also from experts. I'm also open to feedback on the program. It's really designed for you. I want to know what's going to help you in your clinical practice to support your patients with sleep. We have this forum available where you can post your requests, feedback, suggestions, and I will be creating the content based on that. One last thing I'll show you is that you can also get CME credits for the trainings. Let me go back into this mini training and I'll click here, and then you'll see that there's also CMEs available for each of these trainings. This is a great way to not only learn about sleep medicine, but also to get practical tools that you can use with your patients and get your CMEs. I hope this was helpful. I would love to see you inside the program. I will put a link to the waitlist and also to the program sign up page once it opens up underneath this video. And I would love to see you inside the Clinical Sleep Kit membership. We've got a great community and we are all super supportive and we love to share knowledge. And I would love to welcome you into the community as well.